I'm reading this book. It's the cleaning lady or the maid or something in English. When I start a book, I would never like finish it and stuff. And this is like one of the first since a few years. So I really want to keep going with reading, and I think making a little bookmark can be a cute little motivation. Then I can make a bookmark per book. I kind of don't know where to start, but let's figure it out together.
Life's good and I'm loving every single moment of it. Every breath feels like a gentle kiss, so infinite. The sun is shining brighter, painting skies with bliss. This heart of mine is open wide, nothing feels amiss. Feels like I'm reliving my dream life once again. Every step I take feels lighter, free from all the pain. The colors of the world have found a sweeter hue. Oh, the magic in the air, I see it shining through. Yay, honey, isn't today beautiful? You see the way the flowers bloom, the way the wind sets us free. Hold my hand, let's dance beneath the endless sky. Today's a masterpiece, and we're the reason why. Life's good and I'm loving every single part of it.
Okay, so let me show you the semi-final result. So why I drew this? I think there shouldn't be any spoiler because this is the first book. This is like me reading the book. This is my mood in the first half of the book. And I'm like, okay, yeah, it's like, I'm very curious, like what kind of story is it gonna tell? And then there's, this is how I imagine the gardener. So in the book, there's like, the people is like a couple that have a very beautiful, rich house. And then they're hiring a cleaning lady. And this is just the characters, like, and then there's the character of so there's the gardener, like working for the family and other houses, and they describe him as a very good-looking Italian guy. This is how I imagine him from the back. This is how I imagine him gardening the house, and this is how I imagine the house. I don't know why. For me, the roof and the tile is like blue. This is how I imagine the stairs that is going up to one of the room. And I flip it, and this is how the rest goes. If you don't want to get, like, I think there's no spoiling, but if you really want to read this book one day, and also there's a movie coming out, maybe skip it to the next part. It's better that you skip it if you really want to read it, okay? I warned you, so skip it. And yeah, I'm gonna leave 3 seconds into, so 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna talk about it. Okay. Oh my goodness. This was my face when I was reading the other half. This is how I imagine the guy, like the husband, Andy. That's the little room where the bridesmaid is, the cleaning lady is staying at, and the little. I will say no more, but And yeah, I will say no more. The little fridge in the room, the little basket in the room. I imagine it blue, the basket. That's the bed. The bed, I imagine it. So this is where the cleaning lady is staying, like her room. So it's a very shitty little like cave where they put, what is it called? A cave, like, you know, upstairs. Yeah. Anyways, so actually there was no need for people to skip the part because I don't think I spoiled anything. I will use this big tape to tape it. I'm so curious about how the movie will be. I'm gonna write the dates, like the month. It's like a little memory. I'm hesitant if I should go over with this pen in over some. I'm not, because I also really like it without any. Okay, so I think that's all. I will not go over it, and I will tape with this big plastic. So, oh my gosh, I'm stressed. Ah! I cannot see so well. Okay. Oh no, there I missed. Okay, then I turn it around. It's totally fine. All I need to do is to calm down. My hand is stuck. Ah, no. It's even more hard than to tape the new case for the phone. Well, this is great. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please, if you liked it, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. See you!